AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start this analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. You can join the free Telegram for some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers and the profit. Sign up with these brokers if you want to trade with my signals separately. I want you to have a separate broker account when you are going to trade with my signals in the future. So for now, subscribe, like, all free. Coming back to the top-down approach with weekly time frame. So it makes very easy now because, once you are, about to close on Wednesday or you're on Thursday, you can get an idea what's happening in weekly. Okay, so in last 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, in weekly, we had been going up, blue candle. Okay, so now we can get an idea that this week will end up as, long. Okay, so coming back to daily here. In daily, it has been zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. So every time one single blue candle. Okay, that's the problem I was having with this pair since last month, I guess. You have you have like 3 red candles, then only one blue candle, then 3 red candle, only one blue candle, 3 candle, then one blue candle, then 3 red candle, then only one blue candle. So that's why I was not trading this pair. You don't even have to because you have too many pairs to trade Euro, USD, GBP, USD, and too many others. Okay. So AUD USD, look for longs. When shall you enter long? Well, that's your entry in 4 hour right here. In 4 hour, we have broken the previous high, so we are continuing the uptrend. So what's done is done. So your entry was supposed to be here, I guess, or maybe here, so wherever you could enter, but that's past now. When shall you enter next? It's quite simple. Use the fib levels, pull back, and then go long. Okay. So yes, as I've shown you that weekly we are going up. So your entry should be long only. Wait for the pullback and then blue confirmation candle and then go your 1:2 ratio. Okay. So look for longs after each pullback, and this is the same analysis for NZD USD as well. So if you trade NZD USD as well, you will not find any separate video on my channel for that. Use the AUD USD analysis and it will work the same way. So subscribe, like, join the Telegram, check out the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.